a weird thing to say as a musician, but for me it's never been about the music. I don't really care about the notes, the chords. I just want to cause an effect in people. I mean, music to me has always been that animating life force. It's been that thing that can make a violent man humble. It can make a sad person come to their feet. I play music because I want to create a spectacle. I want to take these dead people with their dead lives, with their dead jobs, with their dead love. I want to inject life into that. I want to awaken these people. I want to make them feel things they never felt. I want to make them see things they never seen. And that's music to me. It's not about notes, it's not about chords. It's about the effect you leave in the other person. It's about waking people up. And that's why I do music.